resistor. Sa construction process niya, meron siyang slug, a small rod or cylinder na used as base. Tapos next, yung leads or yung metal wires are attached to the slug and then the assembly is encased in a mold. It is then baked and sealed. So ayun, nakikita nyo dito, ah, kumbaga meron siyang metal na rod tas binalot, tas minold, baked and sealed. Ang problema lang sa kanya is poor tolerance pero cheap yung gantong resistor. Next, wire wound resistor. They are made by winding a wire around a core and attaching leads to the ends. The assembly is then enclosed in a mold and sealed. So characteristics naman niya, they have ability to handle high power levels, exhibit low resistance values, and are suitable for high frequency applications due to their construction. Next, film resistor. Film resistor are made by cutting a film, usually made of metal or metal oxide, with precision using laser.